Hi everyone, welcome to the Thinking Crypto channel. I hope you're doing well. On this channel, we cover the crypto news and we interview many of the folks who are building and investing in the crypto asset class. Please hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Guys, some very big news I want to cover with you today. First up, the OCC, the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, headed up by Mr. Brian Brooks, former Coinbase employee, who of course released the record-breaking regulations that U.S. banks can custody crypto back in July. They've also released regulations around stable coins and what banks and charters can do. Well, look at what they tweeted today, guys. And I'll read the tweet for you. Acting Comptroller of the Currency, Brian Brooks, talks crypto, fintech, and banking with Georgetown professor Chris Brummer, at the DC Fintech Week 2020. So the DC Fintech Week is happening, of course, this week. It's from October 19th through the 22nd. Now, the video they linked to, right, in the tweet here, you can see, look at this. Look who is at this summit, guys, this Fintech Week. Brad Garlinghouse. And of course, Mr. Chris Giancarlo is there as well, as you can see, who's heading up the digital dollar, the gentleman who wrote an article on Forbes saying XRP is not a security. And of course, Brian Brooks was there speaking. See who's in the same room, see who's having the dialogue around digital currencies, CBDCs, and of course, XRP serves as that bridge asset between all these respective CBDCs. Now, I know the XRP haters are going to get upset. They're saying, oh, you're shilling XRP, as though these facts are not right in front of their face. If you want to ignore facts, that's up to you. But I'm not presenting anything that's subjective here. It's objective, meaning that the head of Ripple, the CEO, which is pushing the usage of XRP, is meeting with the respective politicians in DC, having dialogue, meeting with the IMF, and so on and so forth. What do you think is happening, right? So great to see they are all in the same room talking here. Now, I can't play the clip. It is, of course, copyrighted, so I don't want to get a copyright strike. But you guys can certainly take a look at this and hear what Brad Garlinghouse has to say, Brian Brooks, and Chris Giancarlo. So super exciting. Chris Giancarlo also tweeted about Jerome Powell, head of the Fed, who, of course, was on the IMF webinar talking about cross-border payments and digital currencies and CBDCs. And he responded to it. He says, Powell's correct. More important to get the US CBDC done right and fast. Success means balancing complex issues and incorporating key societal values like privacy rights, free enterprise, financial inclusion, and the rule of law. See our pilot ideas for pilots at digitaldollarproject.org. So Chris Giancarlo is heading up the Digital Dollar Project. But now you have the head of the Fed talking about CBDCs with the IMF and the BIS and the World Bank. All the puzzle pieces coming together. And I'm going to say it again, it ties back to XRP, because even though they're digital, that just solves one little problem. How do you improve the cross-border payments, which Jerome Powell was talking about? You need that bridge asset, which is XRP. That is why Brad is in the same room with all of these people and talking to them, right? That is why Ripple is lobbying DC politicians. They visited the White House. These are facts. I'm not making anything up here. I'm not doing any conspiracy theories. These are just the facts. If they didn't happen, I wouldn't be talking to you about it, right? But that is why I'm holding XRP. Don't get me wrong. I hold Bitcoin. I hold Ethereum. So you Bitcoin maximalists, I am bullish on Bitcoin. You Ethereum maximalists, I am bullish on Ethereum. But I'm calling out something that is happening on the largest stage here, in the grand stage, where Ripple is involved with the IMF and the Washington, D.C. politicians. That's why you have Congressman Tom Emmer coming out and saying XRP is not a security. That is why you have Chris Giancarlo, head of the former head of the CFTC, saying XRP is not a security. These are facts, and that is why I'm calling them out. That's why I'm showing you the source of what I'm talking about here. So, guys, the dialogue's happening. There will be action taken. There's action already being taken. I certainly wanted to move faster, but we got to be patient, and the crypto regulations are going to come. All of these things are going to be set up accordingly. Now, I know this is very simple, but it's a billionaire talking, so I have to listen, right? And I think we should pay attention. Chamath Palihapitiya, he's a CEO of Social Capital. He's a chairman at Virgin Atlantic. He's a part owner at the Warriors, Golden State Warriors. And he's a Bitcoin bull. He holds a lot of Bitcoin. He got in very, very early. He tweeted the following today at 5:04 p.m. Eastern. HODL. HODL. Something may be coming. Let's see, right? Maybe he's going to pump Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is over 11,000 right now. So let's see, because he just tweeted that, right? And once again, this guy could be tweeting about a million other things. He's a billionaire. He doesn't have to talk about Bitcoin. He doesn't have to do that. He's part owner of the Warriors, Virgin Atlantic, Social Capital. He's doing a lot of great things, right? But he's tweeting HODL, and he's a Bitcoin owner. So let's see what's on the horizon, guys. I'm certainly excited for next year because we are in a bull market. And if we follow the stock to flow model of Bitcoin, we can certainly expect a bull run next year. But we have to wait and see. No one can predict the future. But like I said, a billionaire tweets this out, something may be on the horizon. Now, some of the things I like to call out in the crypto market, which shows a healthy, maturing, growing market, are investments, acquisitions, mergers, and so forth. Well, fiat-to-crypto gateway BTC Direct raises almost $13 million in Series A funding. So I always bring it up to you guys. Why are people putting their money into crypto companies? Could it be they see the future? They see a possibility of really great returns because this asset class is so young. They are not only investing in the assets themselves, but the companies that are operating in the asset class, building the infrastructure. So Netherlands-based fiat-to-crypto gateway BTC Direct has raised a little under $13 million in a Series A funding round led by undisclosed investors. Announced on Monday, BTC Direct said this was the first significant injection of funds into the platform, which so far has largely been funded by its founders. Started in 2013, the firm also runs a crypto trading app, Blocks, in addition to its fiat crypto ramp. According to its emailed statement, BTC Direct will use the fresh funds to expand its workforce, develop new products, and broaden its marketing efforts. I think this summarizes what we've been talking about for years, and that is growth, maturity, expansion, acquisitions, mergers, and marketing. I've been telling you guys about mass marketing. It's coming. All these different crypto companies are going to start marketing to the masses and tell them about this new asset class. Like, put your money in here and preserve your wealth and grow your wealth and all that. And once again, who's investing their money into this? And these companies are not, like going out of business. They are expanding and building. So this is awesome, guys. Great to see. And I'm very excited for the future of this market. So guys, what do you think about this news? We'll definitely be interested to see what else comes out of DC Fintech Week. The fact that Jerome Powell is talking about CBDCs, cross-border payments. I think we know what's on the horizon. Every central bank, or at least the major ones, will be having create a digital currency. And in order for it to be interoperable, it will need XRP. Leave your thoughts and comments. Hit the thumbs up button.